Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see the solution for question 3, subdivision 1 in exercise 5.2. The question is, if y is equal to x power y, prove that x dy by dx is equal to y square by 1 minus y log x. So first let's write out this expression, y is equal to x power y. So we're going to take log on both sides. So taking log, so this expression will become log y is equal to y log x. Now we are going to do differentiation with respect to x. So I'm using the short notation. So differentiating with respect to x, the left side will actually become 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, as for the right side, this is uv. So y is the u and log x is equal to v. V. Now uv, when I have to differentiate, it's uv dash plus vu dash. So uv dash is going to be log x. So it is 1 by x differentiation is. So this is going to be y divided by x plus. Now vu dash, so log x. Now differentiation of y is dy by dx. So this is log x into dy by dx. Now let's do a rearrangement of bringing all the dy by dx to one side. So this is going to be 1 by y dy by dx minus log x dy by dx is equal to y by x. Now I'm going to take the dy by dx outside. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by y minus log x is equal to y by x. I'm going to take LCM in this part. So dy by dx is into 1 minus y log x by y is equal to y by x. Now I'm going to keep the dy by dx on this side and take the other expressions to the right side. So let's do that basic simplification, just moving around the variables. So here dy by dx is equal to, when this y goes to the other side, it goes to the numerator. There is already a y, so I made it y squared divided by x into 1 minus y log x. Everything is in place for the proof except that they wanted the x on the left side. So let's move it the other side. So x dy by dx is equal to y squared divided by 1 minus y log x. So this was what was needed, and so we proved. So hence proved. In the next video, we will see the solution for the second subdivision in this question. See you in the next video. Bye.